Patio Farming, a beginner's guide to urban gardening. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of patio farming. This is a great topic for those interested in gardening, urban living, and sustainable practices. Let's dive into what patio farming is and how you can start your own little green space, even in the city. Patio farming refers to the practice of growing plants, particularly fruits, vegetables, and herbs, in a small outdoor space like a patio, balcony, or terrace. This method is perfect for urban environments where traditional gardening space is limited. Patio farming allows city dwellers to cultivate their own food, bringing a piece of the countryside into urban settings. One of the major benefits of patio farming is the ability to grow fresh, organic produce. It's not only healthier but also more sustainable. Additionally, patio farming can be a relaxing hobby that connects you with nature, provides physical activity, and even reduces stress. It's a rewarding experience that brings the joy of gardening to urban living. To start patio farming, you'll need containers like pots or planters, soil, seeds or seedlings, and basic gardening tools. Choose a spot on your patio that gets adequate sunlight. Select plants that are suitable for container gardening and your climate. Herbs, tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens are great options for beginners. Use high-quality potting soil and ensure proper drainage in your containers. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Make the most of your space by using vertical planters or hanging pots. Monitor for pests and diseases and treat them promptly. Don't forget to fertilize your plants periodically for better growth. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own patio farm and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown food. Remember, no space is too small to create a green oasis. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.